Coach, let me ask you a question. Do you have a sales funnel? Have you heard that you needed a sales funnel, but you don't know where to start or the first one you should create? Well, I got you because I want to share with you the first sales funnel that you should create in your coaching business. All right. So if I am new to your feed, my face is new to your feed. Hi, I'm Elise Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches. And I'm also the founder of Coaching Business Simplified. And I help coaches just like you market your coaching business the simplest way. Yes. And before I go into sharing this sales funnel with you, I have an awesome sales funnel checklist that you want to grab, right? So that you can actually know exactly the things that you need to include in your sales funnel without trying to figure this out on your own. I got you. I got the checklist. And if you want this, the link is going to be above or below this video somewhere. All right. So let me go right into sharing my screen because I got a visual for you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So here's our sales funnel. And this is the sales funnel. I hope this makes sense and that you can follow along with me. It's a really simple 4-step process on helping you create your first sales funnel. Okay. So the first thing that you want to have as part of your sales funnel is your lead magnet. Now you've heard this, you know what a lead magnet is. If not, let me explain to you real quickly. It's a freebie. It's a pink spoon. It's the thing that you want people to actually say, yes, yes, I want. And they're going to give you their name and email for to get it. So you want to start with a lead magnet. And that lead magnet, again, could be a PDF. It can be a checklist. It can be a mini ebook, not a full ebook, because most people don't have time to read a 60-page ebook, anything like that, but maybe 4 or 5 pages, right, of good content that people actually give you their name and email for. So that's the first thing, okay? Once they go through step 1 over here, step 1, then they go, here is where the magic happens, which is at step 2, is that you should go ahead and offer them a low dollar offer. Yes, low dollar offer. So let me tell me this. How many of you have seen that $7 offer or that $27 offer right when you opt into something? Bingo. That's exactly what I want you to have as well. So you want to have some type of low dollar offer. And typically this is a digital product like that ebook that I just mentioned, or it could be a mini course that you've done with your coaching client somewhere else. And now you want to sell it for $7. The low dollar offer is the entry point for a potential client to go ahead and test out to see if you're the right coach for them. So that would be the second step. And if they want this, right, this is where the yes comes in. This is when you will actually deliver the low dollar offer to them, right? So that is step 3, actually delivering it. And there's so many different ways that you can deliver this low dollar offer. You can have an e-commerce store such in Gumroad, or you can have it in sales, you can have it in PayHip, etc. But you want to make sure that this low dollar offer is delivered to them on an automatic basis, that you don't have to send them any link or anything like that. You just want this to happen behind the scenes. And that's the point of the sales funnel, okay? But just in case, and then, okay, they go through the process, they go to step 3, and then they're going to get an automated email that is sent by your email provider with the link to the freebie in step 1, okay? But just in case, maybe they land on this low dollar offer, step 2, and they say no. Well, that's okay. They can opt out, not want it, and they automatically still are going to get the freebie in their email, okay? So the key thing to this, guys, here's what I want to say to you. The key thing is that the funnel allows things to happen behind the scenes, that you're not doing this. You're not trying to set up all these emails and set up campaigns. All of this is set up one time, and then you don't have to think about it. All your job would be is to market the freebie. That is all you have to do, and everything else happens behind the scene. And what I love about this first sales funnel to set up, once you set this up, every other funnel will build off of this one funnel. But you have to set this one up first, right? And this is the quickest, what does my coach call it? The quickest path to cash. Although the quickest path to cash is a small amount of cash, it is still the quickest path. And this is the path that you probably heard people say and talk about. And this is the first funnel that you want to have in your coaching business as well. It's an easy setup. It's a 4-step process. And if you want to make sure that you've gotten everything that you can check off to make sure you have everything set for your funnel, then you definitely want to download the sales funnel checklist that I've created just for you. And again, the link is below. That was a little bloop. The link is either above or below. All right. Okay. I hope those tips helped you guys. So you guys have an awesome and blessed day. Peace out.